Hello everyone, welcome to another SunnyBox lesson. My name is Lily and I am a wildlife explorer. Today we will learn about a very special kind of insect. Can you guess what it could be? Today's lesson is about the ladybird beetle. Are you ready to be a wildlife explorer? Then let's get our magnifying glasses because we have some discovering to do. In your garden or the forest you might see the ladybird beetle crawling on a leaf. Look at how it crawls, looking for a good place to sit. Here is our little friend, the ladybird beetle. Let's take a look. It is very small in size and its body is the shape of a little oval. Let's count how many legs this ladybird beetle has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 legs! What color is this ladybird beetle? Red? That's correct. Some lady beetles can be yellow or orange. How many spots does it have on its back? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 spots on its back. Our little ladybird beetle also has wings to fly around the garden. Isn't that cool? Let's go through the features of a ladybird beetle. It has a small black head, 2 antennae, 2 eyes, a pronotum to protect its little head, a thorax, an abdomen, 2 hard wings, and 2 soft wings. Ladybird beetles have 6 legs. Ladybirds love to eat small insects. They help look after your garden by eating up all the bad insects that eat our fruits and veggies. I really like learning about the ladybird beetle. Did you? Try and spot a ladybird beetle and watch it crawl and fly around your garden. Thanks for joining us on this SunnyBox lesson. Have an awesome day!